Hey guys, and welcome back to Best Reviews. If you're looking to supercharge your iPhone experience in 2024, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into the top 5 iPhone accessories that you absolutely need to check out. From innovative chargers to sleek cases, we've got you covered with the best of the best. Before we jump in, make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit that like button so you never miss out on the latest tech updates. And don't forget, you can find links to all the products in the description box below. Let's kick off this list with the Anker iPhone 15 portable charger, an absolute essential for anyone on the move. Whether you're a frequent traveler, a busy professional, or simply someone who values staying connected, this power bank is designed to meet your every need. The Anker Nano Power Bank is equipped with a 5,000 miles per hour battery, which may sound modest, but it packs a serious punch when it comes to delivering power to your devices. Next up, we have the PhoneSoap Pro UV Smartphone Sanitizer and Universal Cell Phone Charger Box. In today's world, hygiene is more important than ever, and this innovative device combines two critical functions into one sleek package. Not only does it sanitize your phone with powerful UVC light, but it also charges it, making it a must-have for anyone who is serious about cleanliness and convenience. The PhoneSoap Pro is backed by over 10 years of expertise in UV technology, ensuring that your phone and other small items are thoroughly disinfected. The patented 360-degree disinfection process is what sets this device apart. Now let's talk about the STM ChargeTree Go, a portable 3-in-1 wireless charging station that simplifies the process of charging your devices on the go. This is not just another charging station. It's a compact, foldable powerhouse that lets you charge your iPhone, Apple Watch, and AirPods simultaneously, making it a true game changer for those who live a connected lifestyle. The ChargeTree Go is Qi certified, meaning it meets the rigorous standards for wireless charging. Whether you have an iPhone, Samsung, or another Qi-compatible device, this charger has you covered. Coming in at number 2 is the TONEOF 60 inches cell phone selfie stick tripod, a versatile gadget that combines the functionality of a selfie stick and a tripod into one seamless device. Whether you're a content creator, a traveler, or someone who simply loves capturing moments, this all-in-one phone holder is designed to make your photography and videography experience more dynamic and enjoyable. The standout feature of this gadget is its 60-inch telescopic pole. Finally, our top pick is the SAIJI tablet Kindle stand pillow, a unique and innovative gadget designed for ultimate comfort and convenience. If you enjoy reading or watching videos on your tablet or e-reader, this stand pillow is about to become your new best friend. What sets the SAIJI stand apart is its crescent-shaped ergonomic design. Unlike traditional tablet stands that can be uncomfortable to use for extended periods, this pillow stand is designed to fit snugly against your body, providing a soft and supportive base for your device. Whether you're sitting on the couch, lying in bed, or even lounging outdoors, this stand ensures that your tablet or Kindle is positioned at the perfect angle for viewing, reducing strain on your neck and wrists.